Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW Network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to week 43 of our 2021 Wellness Challenge series. So for those of you that are new to the channel, I am a social worker and I talk about self-care topics for social workers and other licensed mental health professionals. So back in week 40, we introduced the 8 dimensions of wellness by SAMHSA. And today we will be covering one of those 8 dimensions of wellness, which is financial wellness. So today we will be talking about improving our financial wellness. So there are many definitions of what constitutes being financially well. But overall, the financial wellness dimension involves things such as income, debt, and savings, as well as a person's understanding of financial processes and resources. A person's satisfaction with their current financial situation and future prospects also comes into play. So let's break down the financial wellness dimensions into 4 areas, starting with the area of work. Here are some things to consider in the area of work. Question number 1. How does the domain of financial wellness impact your life? How is it related to your wellness? Question number 2. Does your current job allow you to meet your obligations and have resources to do things you enjoy? Question number 3. Are you working in a field that you are passionate about or do well? Or are you looking at doing something differently, perhaps more personally gratifying? The second area of financial wellness that we can look at is our bank accounts. Let's consider the following questions to improve our financial wellness. Question number 1. Are your savings in line with your life goals, such as taking a vacation, home ownership, or retirement? Question number 2. Do you have a weekly or monthly budget so you can plan for mandatory expenses such as housing, utilities, and groceries, and have a little left over to enjoy? The third area that we can look at to improve our financial wellness is that 4-letter word called debt. Let's consider the following questions. Would it be helpful to figure out debt and make a plan to pay it down in a manageable way? Question number 2. Have you thought about getting help from a person who specializes in money management or personal finances? Question number 3. Would it be helpful to read books or watch educational videos by financial experts who talk about personal finance and debt reduction? The fourth area that we can look at to improve our financial wellness are retirement accounts. So let's consider the following questions. Question number 1. If your company offers a 401k plan, are you taking advantage of the company match? Or are you leaving free money on the table? Question number 2. Are you maxing out your 401k plan every year, which will also lower your taxable income or reduce your tax bill? Question number 3. Are you saving money in an individual retirement account or IRA? Do you know the difference between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA? Question number 4. Are you eligible to contribute to a health savings account or HSA? Do you have a high deductible health plan or HDHP? Question number 5. Does your company offer a pension? And if it does, do you know how much it will provide in retirement? Question number 6. Are you contributing to stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds or ETFs in a brokerage account? Are you taking advantage of compounded interest? And the last question, do you know when is the best age for you to apply for Social Security retirement benefits? If you're new to my channel or to the 2021 Wellness Challenge series, I would also recommend that you watch the video I made about paying yourself first. All right, I'm gonna stop there, but I wanna thank you all for watching this video. To all the social workers out there, thank you for the work that you do every day for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to support each other and yourselves. Bye for now.